Okay, so I'm in a box, a carrier, a prison. It smells like fear, betrayal, and lemon-scented lies. They said, just a quick checkup, sweetie. Sure, prepping for future motherhood. I'm sorry for WH80 now. I'm a free agent. I don't need anyone. No tomcats. No 5 screaming meatballs clinging to my belly. I'm in the corner, in my safe zone. Too fabulous to reproduce. And yes, I know what this room smells like. Needles, deceit, and antiseptic. Not coming out. Don't even try. This is my home now. My address, Betrayal Street, carrier number 1. And you know what? You owe me for this. Tuna, a blanket, and a therapist.